this video are the extra weeks that are available through the exchange companies. Yes, there are weeks that are available and you don't have to use your timeshare to exchange it. These weeks are available literally all over the world throughout the year. They're unused inventory that every resort has, or many resorts have, okay? And they want to get people in there to spend money in the restaurants, to spend money at the resort, and to generate income. You don't want an empty hotel room. So you got these weeks that are all over the world. All you do is go on your exchange company website and look at the bonus weeks or the extra weeks, and those are yours to take. You just pay the price that's offered. They're going to tell you exactly the location. They're going to tell you exactly how many people it holds, the size of the room, and you decide whether you want to purchase or not. It has nothing to do with your own timeshare week. You don't have to pay an extra maintenance fee, and in many cases you can use these weeks offered over and over and over. Some of the weeks are from resorts that have opened up new inventory, or it could be a new resort, so they want timeshare owners to come in. Beware, every single timeshare bonus week that you use when you go to the resort, they're going to try to get you on another timeshare presentation. Be prepared. If you want to go on another timeshare presentation, make sure you negotiate for more gifts than they're offering. Trust me, there's a lot of opportunities for you to make more money, that's right, and get more gifts by attending another timeshare presentation. Otherwise, you can just say no, and that's the end of it. Should be the end of it.